Manipur police has refuted to the claims made by former DG of Assam Rifles, Lieutenant General PC Nair, in an interview on News 9 Live, in which the former Assam Rifles DG had claimed that Manipur police has been bifurcated on ethnic lines. Speaking in a press meet that was held at Manipur Police Headquarters in Babupara today, Inspector General of Police for Operations, Dr. I.K. Muivah, without mentioning the former Assam Rifles DGP's name, termed the statement of Lieutenant General PC Nair as immature statement that reflects myopic mindset. IGP Operations I.K. Muivah asserted that Manipur Police comprises of personnel from all communities, including Meitei Naga, Kuki, Meitei Pangal, while also refuting to Lieutenant General PC Nair's claim that there were no drone bombing involved in Kautruk and adjoining areas. I.K. Muivah said Manipur Police has clarified officially regarding the drone bombing and it will stand by its statement. He added, Manipur police are collecting various pieces of evidence and there is likelihood that national investigative agencies be given the responsibility for investigating this case at the highest level. For now, bomb fragments have been sent to forensic lab for verification. IGP I.K. Muivah also appealed students to not indulge in violence and stick to democratic and peaceful means of protest. He added, Manipur Police is also monitoring social media platforms to find out if there is anyone instigating the students to protest. It may be mentioned that the response from Manipur Police came a day after former DG of Assam Rifles, PC Nair, in an interview with News 9 Live, made several claims regarding Manipur violence. The former DG of Assam Rifles had denied the use of drone bombs by Kuki militants in Kautruk and also downplayed the use of rockets in Moirang while claiming it to be a crude pumpy, indigenously developed by Kukis. He also admitted that Assam Rifles lacks number in guarding the unfenced Indo-Myanmar border in Manipur, while stressing on the need of 34-36 battalions of Assam Rifles as against the current 20 battalions in order to fully secure the 1,643 kilometers long Indo-Myanmar border.
We want to appeal to the students that of course, a democratic kind of rally and sit-in and all these things are part and parcel of our democratic kind of setup. But we appeal to them not to indulge in violence, because all that kind of things create unnecessary kind of problems, which cause injuries even to our police personnel as well as to the students and other civilians. And it is very counterproductive. So we appeal to the students to do it in a peaceful manner. And some vested interest groups are instigating this. We are monitoring all these things, and we are also monitoring the social media websites, the Facebooks, and the various WhatsApp groups. So we will be taking actions against those who have indulged in excesses. We are taking screenshots of all the things that, even though it is deleted later on, the screenshots are there with other documentations. So all these things, when someone just spread a false kind of a message with a false picture, those kind of things create panic, and those kind of things create confusion, and it even fuels the charged up kind of tense situation in our society presently. We appeal to all those social media people to use it responsibly in a positive way, and not to spread false things and not to instigate others.
Yamna immature eva sutha thajadaba experience level retire jagare ramudagi magi masan maranai gi oiba person oram kani haina khale pen thamba force ki di mande mana sumba statement ama pi madu khoi yaningdaba police department side ki yaningdaba phongthok pase maya ga khoi share to bani mana hai Manipur da maitegi police khatangai re hai adu aran bani adu khoi kan yaningte si mata gi police hai je police ne Manipur level police mo Meitei yauri, Muslim yauri, Atopa Naga yauri, Kuki yauri, non-Manipuri yauri, join yauri. Aduna we are one force. Says the community line, the ethnic line, the policing tobogi question late. Aduna Huski high statement to Koi Yaning, Ado strongly opposed to it. Police department high idea Koi the music toiba incidents every now and then daily these in the police headquarters press release to it. Aduna Koi Madu talk about watching to a Koi stand by. Ahoy Maduda question to Aduga reference amana Uziki Akoinan Han Kanodiki Tangaraiba crisis attack to say. Attack to is drone season then sophisticated weapon season that we have say Sakini drone party Nekoi recover to then Maduda Kapapa sophisticated rocket kappa with rocket kimaning or tail to recover to Bokai the Sing. Sigi can also Loina press it and the Loina released over Atani Nazu, a scene within Nimamanga, Koi Sima, Jagasim to the briefing Tobuka, the Queen of Uli, Karam Kulai to Pagi. Aduda experience later about Mama Samaksu, Saur of Forsigi, Amata or later, to Mina Harakudu, Akoyaning Day.